Hello, my name is Deepa Dalal, and I'm at the Desert Food Conference in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm here with Dr. Tomas Serena, who is one of the chairmen at the Desert Food Conference. Tell us a little bit more about the conference itself.
So it's been an amazing conference thus far. Actually, even better than I anticipated. The session's been well attended. It's brutal. It's a very long day. Starts early in the morning, right? Goes all the way into the evening. But the content is just off the charts good, and really have enjoyed listening to the various lectures, and a very broad aspect to it. I mean, we've got podiatry, vascular surgery. We've got woundologists. That's really what I am now at this point. So we have a really a spectrum that's really great. Fits into the interdisciplinary aspect of what we do, and that's part of what we hope AAWC is bringing. And as you know, I'm president of AAWC. Yes. We've partnered now with ePresent to do the Desert Foot meeting, and this has just gone off the charts good. It's really great.
That's great. Can you tell us a little bit more about AWCB?
So AAWC is an interprofessional organization that so we have stakeholders that do wound care. We have podiatry, we have physician MDDOs, advanced practice nurses, WOCN nurses, and other nurses in the practice, physical therapists, and administrators, and you name it. It's literally a broad group of individuals that really are focused on improving wound care and improving the science of wound care. Across
specialty take on it.
Absolutely.
Excellent.
And so this is a good fit for us. ePresent's been really good about giving us our own track here.
Yeah.
Super excited.
That's awesome. Is there anything? Is there any talks here that you felt like have really changed the way you practice wound care at this time?
Yeah, all my talks.
Yes.
No, I'm kidding. No, there's been. I mean, the talks have been really good. There's a lot of innovation here, and there's a lot of folks presenting guidelines this morning, like Dr. Lavery was presenting. I thought it was really interesting, and a lot of new research. People are presenting research that they're doing that's ongoing, and that's important. We just don't want to have people regurgitating things you could find anywhere. You can find it online, find it in a textbook. No, we want to hear We want to hear what's new and exciting, and that's very unique to this meeting.
Okay, I guess my last question is can you tell us a little bit more about the talks that you're giving at this conference?
So yeah, my favorite topic. So anyway, we actually are presenting a number of clinical trials. In fact, 3 different clinical trials that we performed in 2019, fresh material, are being presented here. One on a combination use of an anti-biofilm product called Blastex with negative pressure wound therapy, the Wound Vac, and using now approved devices like Moleculite and WoundCheck to do the investigation of that. So that's really exciting, and that trial's in an ongoing status. And then we're presenting the recent results from the 350 patient clinical trial looking at bacteria in wounds. Really happy to get that out. This is really one of the first times that's been presented in its current version. And then a trial looking at a camera that can measure oxygenation in wounds, and a trial we did comparing two modalities, imaging modalities.
Excellent.
So it's really it's cutting edge.
I actually went to the booth for the fluorescent cameras, and I was wondering what kind of accessibility options are there for patients or for clinicians who may want that in their clinic for their patients?
Well, it's FDA approved now, and we spent a lot of time and effort getting that far. So it's now approved. You can use it. I mean, I don't do anything commercial, so I'm a researcher. So, but you can talk to the company and see what it takes in order to get that into the clinic. But you can use it. I think there's good guidance. We've got enough information now that we can direct clinicians on how to use it in the most effective way.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.